Take two. It's going to take a little bit of explanation, huh? So, first of all, we have a laser blinking at 10 Hertz, an LED blinking at 10 Hertz, a PC speaker oscillating at 10 Hertz, and the LED on the Arduino is oscillating at 10 Hertz. This is the basic blink tutorial. We've sped up a little bit from 1 Hertz to 10 Hertz. Yeah, or I guess it was half a Hertz if you, I mean, technically it was half a Hertz to 10 Hertz. Anyways, let me show you the laser. So that is the dot, and we can move it around by moving the laser pointer just like normally. And of course, since it's blinking, you can see okay. So then you think, well, whoops, zoomed in. You probably think, well, what good is blinking a laser, blinking an LED, and this PC speaker? Well, to me, it's a little bit more interesting when you unplug it from the computer, turns off, and then you can see there we have battery-powered laser, LED, PC speaker, and Arduino. So yeah, this is now a mobile thing. Of course, you'd have to make this a little bit more portable if you wanted to take it around with you. But essentially have, megahertz of computing power there, and output, and you can do all kinds of cool input as well. Kind of cool to think about. What am I going to do with this? Well, I suppose I want to make a GD-ROM, and what else do I want? I suppose I want an AFM. AFMs use lasers, don't they?